Today, we will be making apple cinnamon slices. First, roll 1 packet of frozen puff pastry on a baking sheet. Now cut into your preferred shape and size, and then transfer to a large baking tray lined with parchment paper and set aside. Now let's prepare the apples. Cut 3 apples into slices. Beat an egg and brush it on your puff pastry. Now place your apples on the sheets, with each slice slightly overlapping the one before. Now dust with cinnamon powder and icing sugar. Now bake for 14 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're out of the oven, dust some more icing sugar, let it cool, and enjoy. For more amazing recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit us at lookandcook.com.